Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic is for class second year. And before this topic, we already discussed about the one-dimensional arrays. Today, we are going to discuss two-dimensional array. In one-dimensional array, we already discussed about what are the one-dimensional array, how to access one-dimensional array, data items, and how to write something into the one-dimensional array. Today we already have one lecture about this two-dimensional array, but today we are going to revise it, and as well as we have today seen one example about two-dimensional array. So first of all, the first thing is, what is two-dimensional array? A collection of a fixed number of components arranged in two dimensions. All components are the of same types, and this one is the syntax of two-dimensional array, where expression 1 and expression 2 have positive integer. The two-dimensional array and arrays are sometimes called matrices or table. So we can say that a multi-dimensional array is an array of array. Two-dimensional array is also called two-dimensional array is also called multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array, or we can say that a two-dimensional array is also called array of an arrays. Array of an arrays. We can say that this is two-dimensional array, which are arrays of array. And one thing also, dear students, we must know about it. The array are not going to stop on one-dimensional and two-dimensional. It can be three-dimensional, four-dimensional, etc. We can say that it can be three-dimensional or four-dimensional arrays can be, or we can use, and we can define and declare are there. But in our topic and in our course syllabus, we are going to discuss only one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays are only. So first of all, we can see that this one is two-dimension array, integer x 3 4, and this one is column. We have 4 columns and we have 3 rows. So the most important thing which are going to learn about it, that the first digit show the rows of the arrays, and the second digit show the column of the arrays. So, and we can use the values of A00. These are the 00 are index 01, 02, 03, and 10, 20, 11, 21, 12, and so on and so forth. We can use these values in arrays. So now, dear students, we can see one example of about two-dimensional array, how we can write the two-dimensional array, and how we can initialize it, and how we can use it. We can also have process. We can do all these three process with this two-dimensional array. First one is initialization, the second one is assessing, and the third one is writing. So first of all, we must initialize the two-dimensional array. So we can have a new window here. First of all, we are going to do some include iostream dot h hash include dot h integer a2 and 3 a2 and 3. Then we are going to declare the values of an array. This one is 2, so we must declare here 2, 3, 4. This one, comma, and 5, 5, comma 6, comma 7. So we can say that terminator. So if we write here cout a, 0 and 0, a 0, 0, 0 terminator. So we can see that what will going on. Get ch terminator, and here we can give us some clear screen and terminator. Now first of all we are going to save this program to two-dimensional array. DDA we just write it here. Now we are going to run this program. This one have some error. Mm, detection error. Okay. We already missing this one. Now you can see that this one shows the value 2. The first value of the array it shows here. Now we can see that what will be the result. The result is 3. This one is already shown here, 3. So we can write these statements again and again. So we can see the result a 0 and 1, and up here we just show this a 0 0. Then we can see what will see out and a 0 and 2. So we can see that the result will be, what is the result now, 2 3 and 4. You can see that we can, how we can initialize the array. Then we can apply and l here, and we can also apply some and l here and l here, and l and 1 here. We can apply the and l here, so we can see the result. Now again, dear students, you can see that 2 3 and 4, these are the results of our first row. 2 3 and 4. And then if you want to show the result of the second row, then we can use here 1 1 and 1. Then we can run this program. Then you see, students, you can see that 5 6 7. The result of the second row is here, 5 6 7. So you can see that by this way we can show the result of two-dimensional array. This program show that how we can declare two-dimensional array, how we can define two-dimensional array. This one is declaration and definition of two-dimensional array. This one is declaration, and this one is first row of array. First row array, and this one is second row of an array. Second row of, and these are the result of the array. So dear students, you can see, you already learn about it, how we can define two-dimensional array, how we can declare two-dimensional array, and how we can display the data value of two-dimensional array. Hope this will create the concept of two-dimensional array to you people. Thank you for today.